Hello everyone, welcome back to our cybersecurity series. This is Rubel. In today's video, we're diving into Nikto, an open source web server vulnerability scanner. Nikto is a powerful tool used by ethical hackers and security professionals to identify potential vulnerabilities in web servers. Let's get started by understanding what Nikto is and how it works. What is Nikto? Nikto is a widely used server scanner that performs comprehensive tests on web servers for over 6,700 potentially dangerous files and CGIs, check for outdated versions on over 1,250 servers, and resolve version-specific problems on over 270 servers. It's a critical tool in the arsenal of any security professional. Imagine you're a security analyst for a company that runs several web applications. Your task is to ensure that these web applications are secure from potential threats. One of the tools you can use to achieve this is Nikto. In this scenario, we'll use Nikto to scan a web server hosting a demo website called qa.iqra shoppingdemo.xyz. We'll identify vulnerabilities and suggest appropriate mitigations. Let's jump into the lab and see how we can use Nikto to scan our demo web server. First, we'll need to install Nikto. If you're using a Debian-based system like Ubuntu, run the following command: sudo space apt-get space update. Next, we use the following command: sudo space apt-get space install space Nikto. Once installed, we can start scanning our web server. The basic syntax for running Nikto is as follows: Nikto space-h space less than hostname e greater than. For our demo, we'll use the following command: Nikto space-h space qa.iqra shoppingdemo.xyz space-s space /tmp/report.html space-format space htm. Let's break down and explain the command nikto-qa.iqra-shoppingdemo.xyz-o/tmp/report.html-format htm in detail. First, start with Nikto. This is the command that runs the Nikto tool. Next-h. This flag specifies the target host to scan. Next, qa.iqra-shoppingdemo.xyz. This is the target host's domain name. In this case, it appears to be a quality assurance QA environment for the Iqra shopping demo website. Next-o. This flag specifies the output file for the scan results. Next/tmp/report.html. This is the path and file name where the scan report will be saved. The /tmp directory is commonly used for temporary files in Unix-like operating systems. Next-format. This flag specifies the format of the output file. Next-htm. This indicates that the output should be in HTML format. The report will be more readable and can be easily viewed in a web browser. Now hit enter to run the command. Nikto will now start scanning the web server for vulnerabilities. This might take some time, depending on the size and complexity of the web application. Once the scan is complete, Nikto will provide a detailed report of its findings. Let's take a closer look at the output. Let's open the HTML report located at report.html using the Firefox browser. The output includes various details, such as the server information, headers, and most importantly, potential vulnerabilities. For instance, we might see results like outdated software versions, default files, and potential security misconfigurations. This website is more secure. That's why we are not able to see any vulnerability. Let's test another website which has vulnerabilities. We will be using the Damn Vulnerable Web app, short form DVWA. It is available on my local system, and the URL for this application is http://192.168.4.3.142/dvwa/login.php. We are going to save this file under TMP and name. This file is report_dvwa.report. Hit the Enter button. Nikto will now start scanning the web server for vulnerabilities. This might take some time. Let's open the HTML report located at report_dvwa.report using the Firefox browser. See, we are able to find one of the vulnerability under login page. /dvwa/login.php/letopen. As you see its expose the user credential, default username is admin with password. After identifying the vulnerabilities, the next step is mitigation. Here are some common steps you can take to secure your web server. 1. Update software. Ensure that your web server software and all related components are up to date. 2. Remove unnecessary files. Delete or restrict access to default or unnecessary files and directories. 3. Implement security headers. Add security headers to your web server configuration to protect against various attacks. 4. Use Web Application Firewall, WAF. Deploy a WAF to filter and monitor HTTP requests. There you have it. You've successfully scanned a web server using Nikto and identified potential vulnerabilities. Remember, regular scanning and timely mitigation are key to maintaining a secure web environment. Nikto is a powerful tool for any security professional. This tool helps you to identify vulnerabilities on web servers, helping you to stay one step ahead of potential threats. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay secure.